Hey everyone, it's Kara and Wendy again, and she's here with another letter from one of our farmer friends. This time it's from Farmer Clark in Fresno, California, who brings us greens. He says, "Hi everyone, hope you're having a good week. I've been busy planting my greens and keeping them away from rabbits, since there's so many this time of year. Rabbits love greens, so I have a dog that helps me guard my crops. His name is Gus. He follows me all around my farm when I'm driving in my truck. A dog isn't the only animal I have on my farm. I also have chickens. They stay in the red barn I have because they love greens too." Yes, Wendy? You're right, Wendy. Wendy's a barn owl, so maybe she has friends in that barn. "My daughter goes down and checks on them every morning. She collects their eggs and we make omelets with the spinach I grow in the garden. That sounds really good. Next time you guys have eggs, you should try it too. Everyone stay healthy and I'll talk to you later. Farmer Clark." All right, so everyone stay tuned until next week to see where Wendy brings us another letter from. Bye.